Good morning, y'all. We going up on a Tuesday. We out here grinding, making it happen. Today I am actually gonna have to switch gears and check out a deck job that I did sometime in February. So we used the bag to repaint it, strip it, and restore it. You put things down, you guys give it like about 3 months to heal to the surroundings, and then now you can come back and paint it. So let's do this.
We are here at our project. This is what I built in January, revisiting it. Let's go check it out. Alright, so here is the deck on top view. So just gotta prep it and paint it. Okay, so we had to wait until there was no direct sunlight hitting this deck. Now we can strip it. I'm using the wood stain finish stripper today. What I do is just apply it with a brush and a roller and strip away. Applied that paint remover and it comes off real easy with paint water. Hold it down. Alright, so now this deck is all stripped down and paint ready. So we gotta let it sit and dry for 24 hours and ready to paint tomorrow.
Apparently, for this stain, you could have shot it over paint. But what I did was I fully stripped the whole thing down, which is even better. But however, stripping was pretty difficult. I'm excited for tomorrow, so you just pep it up again, cover everything, and start shooting, spraying everything. So we're gonna do that. Stay tuned. I am on my way to my work site, which is the deck job. This is day number 2, and he stripped it yesterday, as you guys saw. I'm come back, clean it up a little bit, set it up. Let's go.
Here's the deck before. So we gotta prep it up so we don't paint sidings and everything like that. It's very hot out here, but as you can see, the strip. Yeah. All this is to be painted.
Okay, so you gotta mix up the paints. I put all these 3 gallons into one so we can mix it up evenly. Alright, got my setup. Got all the water drained out of this guy. Gonna test it out right here real quick. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's do this. Alright, we just got done from the deck job. It took 5 hours to prep it and move this big old ladder around. Luckily I have the airless sprayer, so I'm happy it's done right now. If you guys like this, subscribe, like it, comment on. Thanks for watching. Vinny boy, out!